Hey, senior. Pola. Sorry. October 2024 at commercial ground, Nakawa division, Kampala district. We robbed number 63061 PC Makawa Charles, with 2 mobile phones valued at 800,000 shillings, and EPS printer machine valued at 14 million. The property of the Uganda Police Force, and act or limit before or act after the time of the said robbery, used personal violence to the said number 63061 PC Makawa Charles. That is count number 1. Number 1, both accused. Count number 2 is assaulting a police officer in execution of his duty, according to section 231B of the Penal Code Act. And particulars of the offense are that in between Mercy on the 18th day of October 2024 at commercial ground, Nakawa division, Kampala district, assaulted number 63061 PC Makawa Charles, the police officer, at the time was execution of his duties. One is robbery under section 266 and 2671 A of the Penal Code Act. The particulars of the offense are that between the Mercy and the Abandula Benadine on the 20th day of October 2024 at commercial ground, Nakawa division, Kampala district. We robbed number 63061 PC Makawa Charles, with 2 mobile phones valued at 800,000 shillings, and EPS printer machine valued at 14 million. The property of the Uganda Police Force, and act or limit before or act after the time of the said robbery, used personal violence to the said number 63061 PC Makawa Charles. That is count number 1. Number 1, both accused. Count number 2 is assaulting a police officer in execution of his duty, according to section 231B of the Penal Code Act. And particulars of the offense are that in between Mercy on the 18th day of October 2024 at commercial ground, Nakawa division, Kampala district, assaulted number 63061 PC Makawa Charles, the police officer, at the time was execution of his duties.
Was that? You have to pray for it. You have to pray for it.
And then the council, you represent.
He does it, and I wonder why he doesn't take it.
Your Honor, I'm wondering, maybe the state wants to proceed in a kangaroo style, whereby if it doesn't want to disclose, only to disclose with the court order.
We have not received any disclosure from the state attorney.
We've not prayed for it.
Yes, Your Honor, Christopher, I appear for A2. Your Honor, we equally have instructions to apply for bail for this honorable court.
So they are like uniform in that you refuse to stop. True or not true? Land cruiser, white in color, on the road without any assurance prescribed by law for that use. And accused accused number one. Sure or not true? That is it. Great passage.
Until force next. Afande, mulira mutya? Afande, ulira otya?
Inze, munanga, I'm even very happy for that woman not giving bail. I want her to be there until akoma okumanyira abasilikale. We are human beings, okay? We need some kind of respect.
How are you, Mom? Okay, how are you? Good.
Tumulinda alinde emotoka.
We have to confirm.